Hello everyone, welcome to Wondershare Filmora tutorials. In this video we will see that how can you actually cut the chunks from a video clip in Wondershare Filmora working area. So basically for any video editing software, one of the most essential uses is that you should be able to cut clips of the video and the audio so that you can remove some of the parts that are not needed, or you can add from multiple video files, multiple raw footages. Maybe you have taken footage from a camera and a mobile phone and you want to mix those footages together. So how will you do it if you do not know that, okay, this is at the particular point where I want to cut my camera footage and add the footage from my mobile. So this is a very essential and a basic step in video editing that we are going to learn today in this video. So the process is pretty simple. All that is needed is that you must have at least one file, the video file. So right now there are some files, one video and one audio in my working area that I'm just going to remove, and I'm just going to get one video file with attached audio into it. Okay, so then using this slider you need to go to that particular timestamp where you want to place a cut. Okay, in case you're not sure about it, what you can do is, right now I'm muting it because I don't want the audio to play, but what you can do, you can actually play this from here. Just listen to the sound, just take a look at the scenes that are going on, and once you get that, okay, this is the scene I want to cut, just put a stop to it and bring your slider at that exact point in time. Okay, here you see there is a scissor icon made. Just click on that once. So what happens now, if I just move slider somewhere else, then you see this is one part and this is the other part. Now my video is split into two parts. Okay, so either you can remove this part or you can remove this part. Okay, so the option is, the choice is totally yours, which part you want to remove. The second thing is, suppose you do not want to remove a whole part of the video. Okay, so in case you want to remove the whole part, how do we remove it? Just select the part and press the delete key, that whole part would be removed. Okay, now if you just press Ctrl Z, that would be undone and the part would come back. Now in case you don't want to remove the whole part but you want to remove only a chunk, so let me just extend my slider to up till here. This is the part which I want to remove. So starting from here all the way till here is where I want to remove the part. Okay, so again click on the scissor icon. Now what happens, our video is bifurcated into three parts. The part 1 is the introduction that I want to keep, the second part is the part I want to discard, and the third part is after the discarding part that I again want to keep into my final video. Okay, so what do? This is the part I have identified that, okay, I do not want it anymore, I just want to delete it. Just select the part that you want to delete and just press the delete key and that part would be gone. Automatically the second part or the third part actually will be merged together with the first introduction part. Now the video will look smoothly, there would be no gap in between the two, so it will play on smoothly. Okay, so to anybody who is watching the video, it will seem like it is a one continuous video and not a cut has been placed in between. Okay, so this was the case in case you want to delete the part, delete an external part. In case you do not want to delete it, but what do I want is, I want to actually cut this part, bring it all the way to the front, and then just play this introduction part. Okay, so what do? I just click on this and drag it a little bit away so as to get some spaces between these three parts, so I can easily identify it. Okay, then move this part a little bit over here, then drag this part all the way to the first column, first place. This is the second place, and this, let's just merge it here, is the third place. So using this you can actually manipulate the position of the cutting or the cutted duration of the video as well. So this is how basically we manipulate the video and to give us the best edited product in Wondershare Filmora. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.